fly a drone without a controller? Wrong. Now, you can fly your mini drone with your smartphone. With HISINGY app's all-new virtual controller feature, you can enjoy the fun of flying anytime, anywhere just carrying your beloved mini drone. Open the app, connect to your mini drone, and tap the controller icon in the top left corner to switch to the virtual controller interface. Press and hold the engine start button to start your mini drone, and push the throttle to begin flying. But that's not all, we have also brought you a more interesting motion control feature. Tap the switch in the top right corner to change to motion control mode. You can control your mini drone by tilting your smartphone, making the flight control intuitive and super simple. Come along with your friends and family, and experience this new way of flying together.